Hello and welcome to our group's Unity project. My name is Gabriel and here I will demonstrate the basic game mechanics of the prototype. For the project, we chose to create a scene for either a grapple-based or a swing-based prototype. And for the swing-based prototype, I helped with the debugging of the scripts, and also helped a bit with the rope mechanics. So for the grappling script, which I did focus on mainly, I created a script where you get a point between the line and the player object, and where you right click, the player will move towards the mouse position, and it functions very similarly to a grappling hook, yeah. And it can also function as like some sort of like swinging thing, a pendulum. Alright. So to create this, to create the grapple script, I first had to reference the camera for converting the mouse clicks to world positions, the line ranger for creating a line, a visual line to represent the rope, and also the distance joint, which will simulate the connection between the player and the grapple point. So at the start, I first had to get the component of both the distance joint 2D and the line ranger from the player object, and will have to immediately disable these, because I will only need them when grappling is true. So when you click and hold down the left mouse button, it will store the grapple point as grapple position, which is the mouse click position in the world coordinates. And holding down the right mouse button will toggle the move to point function, the move to point thing, the movement towards the grapple point. And so when grappling is true, if move to point is true, or when you right click, the player will move towards the grapple point using vector to move towards, and the line it will move towards the point, which is one of the main features of the grappling hook. So the line ranger will connect the player to the grapple point visually, and the distance joint 2D will ensure a physical link between the player and the grapple point. And grappling will stop if the player reaches the grapple point, or the player stops holding down the left mouse button. So when grappling is false, it will hide the line ranger, and will also break the physical connection that comes from the distance joint 2D. So this script uses basic math and the Unity's physics system to create a simple grappling hook system.